Hi, I'm Jamie Widener with Kleen-Rite Corporation. I'm here with Jacob Schroeder from Hydro Systems, and we are going to talk about the HydroChem system today. Jacob, why would someone be interested in purchasing a HydroChem?
Yeah, good question. So one reason to purchase this is that this unit can handle back pressure. And what that means is I could connect a garden hose to this with a nozzle and then bring that around, spraying my solution everywhere, where a traditional Venturi unit, you can't do at too much back pressure.
Okay.
So
Perfect. Where are the locations or applications for this item? Where would someone use it?
yeah, you might see it in a grocery store in the back. You might see it at a food processing, just cleaning off equipment. Maybe you'll see it in some sort of auto car wash, washing vehicles with it.
Okay.
So a few different places.
Certainly. So multiple applications. How many chemicals can we carry with this?
So we can do either one or two, and behind us we have a 2-product unit. So 2 chemicals, plus we also just have a line dedicated to rinse.
Just straight water rinse.
Just straight water, yeah.
Okay. So apply chemicals, allow for dwell, rinse off and walk away.
Yep, traditionally you'd have a detergent and a sanitizer, and then you have your rinse.
Okay,
So,
excellent. So 2 chemical options if needed. Rinse option is always available. Fantastic product. Is it a mobile item? Is it wall mounted only?
yeah, so you can either wall mount it, or you can also put it on a cart and wheel it to wherever you need it, and then start spraying from there.
Fantastic. So Jacob, as we're talking about the HydroChem, one of the things that always comes up is how do we install these units? Common questions, folks haven't seen it before. So what would it take to get this from the box to the wall and ready to use?
Oh, it's not too bad at all to install. So it's wall mounted, so it comes with some hardware. You just mount it to a wall. You got 2 screw locations.
2 screws, okay.
Yep. And then, of course, we need a water source.
Okay.
And then we need our chemical containers with our chemical line. So here we got the 2-product unit. We got 2 different chemicals hooked up to it. And then we just need to attach our discharge hose along with whatever nozzle attachment we have.
So pre-selected accessory kit needs to be here, ready to go.
Yep.
Okay. So if a customer has a need for 1 chemical but may scale up, if I have this unit now with only 1 line on it, is it still going to function correctly and accurately?
Oh yeah. So each lever corresponds to a different product. So we have a 2-product unit here, and we always have a middle line that's just for rinse, just pure water, just for rinsing.
Okay, perfect. So it's a scalable unit. You only need 1 now, you need 2 later. Get a 2 unit, you're good to go. Okay. And then as far as, the unit's in play, it's been used for quite a while, and there's starting to be issues. What are the most common troubleshooting steps to keep a unit functional and running smoothly?
Yeah, probably the biggest thing you might run into is chemical pull. So a few different areas to look at. One, there's an inlet screen right here that catches any debris from your plumbing system. So that can reduce your water pressure and you get no chemical pull.
Okay.
You can always have metering tips that get clogged. And so those may need to be replaced.
Okay.
And maybe you have in your chemical container, maybe there's debris in there and it's clogging up the strainers in the chemical line.
Okay.
So that's another area to look at. And then, of course, water pressure is always going to be a variable. Especially the longer the length of your hose, the more pressure loss there's going to be. So you need to accommodate with a little bit more pressure.
Okay, very good. And the unit works optimally at 40 PSI?
Yep, 40.
But a little less, a little more, depending on the site-specific pressure?
Yep, 40 PSI. Of course, if you have a longer hose, it's nice to have a little bit more pressure there to accommodate.
Of course. Okay. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah.